The 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a mobile fortress of luxury built for the wild. Imagine a motorhome that combines off-road military-grade toughness with the comfort of a 5-star hotel. That's exactly what Mercedes-Benz has delivered in the new Zetros 6x6, a beast designed to conquer mountains, deserts, and frozen landscapes, all while keeping you surrounded by world-class luxury. At first glance, the Zetros 6x6 looks like it belongs in a war zone. With its aggressive design, towering ground clearance, and 6-driven wheels, it's a machine that commands respect on any terrain. The matte black and silver finish, LED light bars, massive all-terrain tires, and reinforced bumpers make it obvious this is not your average RV. But as soon as you step inside, everything changes. You're greeted with an interior that feels more like a private jet than an off-road truck. The living space inside, the Zetros 6x6 is a masterclass in intelligent design. Mercedes has collaborated with top-tier German engineering firms to create a layout that maximizes every inch of space. High-grade leather upholstery, ambient LED lighting, hand-finished wood trim, and stainless steel accents come together to create a warm premium environment. The floors are heated, and the walls are fully insulated for comfort in extreme climates. The lounge area features an L-shaped sofa that transforms into a guest bed, accompanied by a smart 55-inch UHD TV and a surround sound system that makes you feel like you're in a cinema. Large double-glazed panoramic windows provide breathtaking views of nature while keeping the interior climate controlled. The motorhome also features full blackout shades for privacy and better sleep during bright mornings or harsh environments. The kitchen is fully equipped with high-end appliances, including a dual induction cooktop, a convection microwave, a full-size refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine. Soft closed drawers, LED-lit cabinets, and a built-in water filtration system add to the experience. Whether you're parked in the Alps or camping near a remote beach, cooking in the Zetros is a pleasure. The master bedroom is located at the rear and includes a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, overhead reading lights, and custom storage units. There's also underbed storage for larger items. Opposite the bed is a touchscreen control panel that lets you manage lighting, temperature, and entertainment settings. You also get USB-C ports and wireless charging stations on each side of the bed. One of the highlights of the Zetros 6x6 is the bathroom. It's rare to see a full-size spa-style bathroom in an expedition vehicle, but Mercedes has made it happen. It includes a walk-in rainfall shower with teak flooring, a designer sink with brass fixtures, and a ceramic toilet with a vacuum flush system. There's also a heated towel rack and a washer-dryer combo unit hidden behind a sliding panel. On the outside, the Zetros is packed with practical features. There's an automatic awning, an outdoor kitchen module with a BBQ grill, a 360 camera system, and roof-mounted solar panels connected to a massive lithium-ion battery bank. The motorhome is also equipped with an onboard water purification system and an 800-liter freshwater tank, making it ideal for long-term off-grid travel. The powertrain of the 2026 Zetros 6x6 is equally impressive. It runs on a 12.8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with a 16-speed automated manual transmission. It produces 510 horsepower and over 2,200 newton-meters of torque. This enables it to climb steep inclines and ford rivers while carrying all your living essentials. The Zetros is built on a reinforced steel chassis with advanced suspension and locking differentials, ensuring optimal traction in any condition. But Mercedes has also introduced smart connectivity in the Zetros. From your phone or tablet, you can monitor everything from battery levels to water tanks and GPS location. The onboard system also includes satellite internet, a weather monitoring station, and an emergency SOS module for safety during expeditions. With a price tag of over $1.2 million, the 2026 Mercedes Zetros 6x6 motorhome isn't for the average traveler. It's built for explorers, off-grid enthusiasts, and those who crave both adventure and comfort. Whether you're driving through the sands of the Sahara or the snowy wilderness of Alaska, the Zetros turns every journey into an unforgettable experience. If you're looking to redefine what it means to travel in style and power, the Zetros 6x6 is not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle revolution on 6 wheels.